We're like in the middle of nowhere. We only traveled 24 hours to, to this crazy location to have amazing landscapes. I loved going to that salt lake that we went to. I thought there were some really beautiful pictures there. This afternoon we are going to 15,000 feet. We're going to be like next to volcanoes. I don't know how it's going to be. They tell us it's going to be kind of cold. It's going to be windy. So here we go. Swimsuit Survivor. Those are the best pictures, the ones that like whoever thinks to go like lay on salt and in a bikini with like a volcano in the background. So I'm gonna do that.